I'm August Bullock. I've been a bankruptcy attorney since 1988, and I've helped thousands of people solve their financial problems and get a fresh start. One thing I've heard over and over again throughout the years is that people always tell me how terrible they feel, how they never wanted to file bankruptcy, how they never expected to file bankruptcy, and generally how much stress and anxiety they have about the process. Well, I'm here to tell you that while I truly understand how you feel, I want to remind you that feeling that way really doesn't make a lot of sense. First of all, bankruptcy is not as bad as you think. People have the idea that it ruins your credit forever, but this is simply not the case. Secondly, enormous numbers of people are filing bankruptcy. Many of the people you know, the people you work with, your acquaintances and neighbors have filed, but they just haven't told you about it. Consider that in 2010 there were 1.5 million bankruptcies filed in the United States. That works out to 1 for every 212 people. And actually the number of people filing was even higher than that because a lot of those bankruptcies were joint petitions by husband and wives. Third, many famous people have filed and gone on to become leaders in their fields. Abraham Lincoln filed when he was a young man long before he became president. Donald Trump has filed 4 times, has become a TV star renowned for his financial acumen, and himself has run for president. Songwriter Willie Nelson filed to escape a $16 million tax debt. Rock star Tom Petty filed because he was trapped in an oppressive recording contract, and as a result of that, he was able to keep all the profits from his next album, Damn the Torpedoes, which was a huge success. Johnny Carson's sidekick Ed McMahon filed to save his home from foreclosure. Fighter Mike Tyson, musician MC Hammer, and talk show host Larry King all have filed. Walt Disney filed for his first movie company, and Henry Ford filed at the age of 38, 2 years before he founded the Ford Motor Company and revolutionized the American automobile industry. My fourth point is that you're not alone because many big companies have filed. Most people have heard about the bankruptcies of Enron, GM, Lehman Brothers, Kodak, Hostess Foods, Saab, American Airlines, MF Global, and Borders Books. And of course, there are countless more. Putting this together brings me to my fifth and final point. You are not solely responsible for your economic problems. Part of the responsibility lies with the banks and the government. The banks created the self-destructive policies that led to our economic woes, and the government did little or nothing to prevent the economic crisis from unfolding. As a consequence, the government itself is running out of money and will likely not be able to pay its bills in the future. The good news is you can start over and get a fresh start. Many people are able to eliminate a great deal of debt and keep their property when they file bankruptcy. I hope this video will remind you that things really aren't as bad as they seem. Once you make up your mind to make the change, you will feel better, and you will be able to accomplish many great things in the future. If you have any questions about what options might apply to you, please give me a call. I'd enjoy hearing from you.